Hi folks, Russell Wright from themezoom.com. Today we're going to look at a new filter. I've snuck into Sue Bell's account here without her knowing, without her permission, because I have stuff in my account that I don't want to show you. And we have the default filter, okay? And this is a vertical markets filter that she created for you to look at the way that your verticals are that may be included around this term. Okay, now you cannot change the name of this filter if it's default. What you can do is you can take like this code if you want to mess with it, and you can copy it, and you can return to the filter list and create a new filter. Okay, once you select the create new filter button, I think I hit it, this opens up and you can just paste right into the enter the data for the new filter below, and you have the open source filter designed to, for your specific market. And if I wanted, I could call this Russell's verticals, okay? Or I could call it banking keyword verticals, okay? And I'm running a little bit slow today, so forgive me. Got a lot of windows open, even this on this machine. Then you could write a description of what particular project this is. You could even name your filters by project like some people do. Okay, we're just going to call this a test banking keyword verticals. Okay, we're going to save the filter. You can see this is a very specific filter for the banking project that I'm working on for the major banking industry. And to use this as an experiment, I'm going to create a new project real quick like a bunny. I'm going to type in the seed word bank. I'm going to do only the United States. I'm going to queue the project. Come back in just a minute when it's done. It'll probably take around 2 minutes for our natural language processing words to function properly. Sorry about that. I had to close the door because somebody decided to mow the lawn on a Saturday late in the afternoon. Okay, so we're drilling into the term bank. I'm going to show you how useful this vertical market filter we just created that Sue, it's actually just, we swiped Sue's filter, the default filter called vertical markets, similar to some of the proprietary stuff we've used in ThemeZoom. And when we come back, we'll show you how to use that filter. And as long as it took me to go over the door and yell at the guy mowing the lawn, there was 465 keywords done. Got to tell you, that's pretty fast, especially since we're processing this with LSI Bayes, things that make sure that we really have super relevant words. Now we need to go up and make sure that the right filter has been applied. Okay, and it'll drop down this little menu. It's going to ask you which filter you want. Then we just simply go over to banking keyword verticals because we made our own. Did I spell that right? That would be really embarrassing in a video. Okay, that's fine. I'll go ahead and apply that filter. And immediately what you'll see is out of all of the words based on the filter that we have, all the words that came back for the word bank, we only have 4 real vertical words that we need to focus on that are related as a real vertical. Guys, I don't really know if you understand how powerful that actually is. We just went through a list of several hundred keywords and brought back the only ones really worth investigating for the word bank that are separate segmented verticals around the word bank. So again, this is one of the larger, broader filters that we used in the whole swallow your market whole concept for the hundreds of thousands of dollars we have into the natural language processing code for ThemeZoom. Now this is available for you for $97 a month, and it's there's many other filters, not only broad but very specific, niche mining and the rest. And if you want to take a look at this, you can have a 7-day free trial with it. Look forward to seeing you inside. And this was the last keyword tool, a ThemeZoom product using natural language processing. It's the only keyword tool of its kind in the world that runs these kind of processes that's available to the general public at that price. Join us for the 7-day free trial. I'll see you on the inside.